Welcome morning motivational inspirational speech for school assembly series. Today we're going to see the new topics like magic, the power of words. Dear honorable principals, esteemed teachers, and my dear students, a very good morning to you all. We may have countless dreams and plans, but to turn them into reality, we need courage and determination, don't we? So, what can we do to find that courage and determination? I would like to share a historical event with you. Yes, 100 years ago, in 1930s America, the world's superpower today, was mired in an economic crisis. Many people were unemployed. People struggled with everything from food and clothing to medicine, etc. In 1933, during this time of national despair, Roosevelt became the new president. With America on its knees, no one was particularly interested in what the new president had to say. He understood the people's pain and suffering. In this whirlwind, speeches were unnecessary. All that was needed was a word, a beacon of hope. Yes, always our nation would overcome these challenges. He assured us that we would definitely progress, and that was his promise. The only thing we need to fear, he said, was fear itself. These nameless, baseless, unnecessary fears stifle the efforts needed for our progress. We must stop being afraid, stop retreating, and move forward. Even when you feel completely exhausted and ready to give up, you can prove yourself wrong. Even your efforts and end in disappointment, the attempt itself is a victory. The simple phrase, the only thing we have to fear is fear itself, pulled America back from the brink of destruction. It was a momental shift. So, students, don't let fear of failure hold you back. Remember, the only thing we have to fear is fear itself. Thank you. Thank you very much.